about Jesus according to Mark chapter 6 from verse 45 to verse 56. Jesus walk on water. Jesus make him special follower them go in at the boat same time and go back across Bethsaida. But him turn which part him did there till him done send with the people them. After him tell the people bye bye, him go up in the mountain for pray. When evening come, Jesus did still there where him did there. Him won, and the boat did in at the middle of the sea. Him could have see them did a struggle hard for row the boat, cause the breeze did a blow against them. When day did soon light, Jesus walked on top of the water, go out which part them there, cause him did want pass them. When them see him walk on top of the water, them did think I want dopey, so them ball out, cause all of them did see him, and them did catch them afraid. But him talk to them same time and say, "Who no take heart, and me man, nobody afraid." Then him go in on the boat with them, and the breeze stop. And then it shock so till, cause even though them did see the miracle what Jesus did do with the fish and the bread, them still never understand the power we him have, cause them head did tough. Jesus makes sick people better. After Jesus and his special follower them cross the lake, them tap a one place named Gennesaret. When they come out of the boat, same time people see say a Jesus. So they run all over the area, go for the sick people them, and carry them on stretcher, go everywhere them did hear say Jesus did there. Every district or countryside or marketplace where Jesus go, the people them carry them sick people to him. Them beg him for just make them touch the inner him clothes, and everybody will do that get better. And God won this. Thank God.